Changing the email link to your YouTube account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Advanced Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Advanced Settings or Account Options. Click on it to find the option to change your email. Step 4. Change email address. Locate the section that allows you to change your email address. Enter your new email address and follow any prompts to verify it. Step 5. Confirm the change. Check your new email for a verification message from YouTube. Click the link in the email to confirm the change and finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to YouTube's Help Center for assistance.